Hi, here we have a box has a total of 450 balls. Each is either white or black. So we have white balls and black balls. The total number of balls is 450. So assuming that the number of white balls is W, the number of black balls will be 450 minus W. Okay. Now there being as many metallic white balls as metallic black balls. So again we have a second categorization. The balls apart from being white and black can be either metallic or non-metallic. Okay. And it's given that the number of metallic white balls is same as the number of metallic black balls. So whatever this number is equal to this number. Fine. Now 40% of the white balls and 50% of the black balls are metallic. Okay. So how many metallic white balls do we have? 40% of white. So this is 40% of W is 0.4 W. And the number of metallic black balls is 50% of total black balls. So that will be 0.5 times of 450 minus W. Okay. So we have both of these are equal. So now multiplying with 10, what we effectively get is 4 into W is 5 times of 450 minus W. So we have minus 5W comes on the left hand side, becomes plus 4 plus 5. 9W is equal to 5 into 450. Now 450 goes by 950 times. So W comes out to be 5 into 50 is 250. So the total number of white balls is 250. Okay. So what we need to figure out is now the number of non-metallic balls in the box. What is going to be the number of non-metallic balls? So let's calculate number of non-metallic white balls. So we have a total of 250 white balls, out of which 40% are metallic. So non-metallic will be 60% of this. 60% of 250 is 150. So we have 150 non-metallic white balls, and number of non-metallic black balls will be, if 50% of the black balls are metallic, 50% will be non-metallic. How many total black balls do we have? 450 minus 250, 200. So out of 200, 50%, 100 are metallic. So the remaining 50%, 100 will be non-metallic. So the total number of non-metallic balls is 150 plus 100, which is 250. So the answer to this question is 250.